So the dogs and I are on a walk, and the dogs are a little hypervigilant because we're in an area they're not used to. Sometimes hypervigilance helps us to be aware of our environment, but sometimes we're over hypervigilant when we don't need to be. Sometimes we're safe, but we don't realize it. And this could be from anxiety or PTSD, past abuse, past stress. If that's the case, look around you. What are the safety cues? Can you find a peaceful spot in your body? And if the hypervigilance continues, perhaps you need more downtime, decompression time. Perhaps someone to talk to would be helpful. I hope that you feel safe right now and that you have safe people in your life. Remember, be kind to yourself.